The question of naming of our flag bearer, I think the matter has been addressed several times. We are discussing amongst ourselves, we are building alliances, we are aligning ourselves. It is not going to be a secret affair. When that time comes, it will be known to you and to everybody because it's in the best interest of the country. So why would we want to spend our precious time of engaging with our people in Kisii here discussing about the candidate at this point in time? I think you are putting the cart before the horse. Let the horse move. Next is the question about I wouldn't use the word renegade. I'm very cautious. I would not use the word renegade in describing people who are having an internal conversation or active fellowship within their party. But there are brothers and sisters, all of us here in this group respect other parties, including the ODM. And you know, our leaders, our two co-conveners, the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka and the Honorable Martha Karua, have always said that we are open for business 24/7. We work with everybody and like-minded people who want this country to advance, and we will work with all like-minded people to ensure that our country advances. The business of this group is fixing our nation. That is our business. And those who want to fix the nation are our allies, definitely, wherever they are. Thank you.